Hi there, this is my Kahoot game I made for the Kahoot Badge for the extra credit at the end of the semester. And so my Kahoot is over the Vietnam War, and it is made up of 6 questions. So how Kahoot works is on the left is the teacher's screen, and on the right over here is what the students would see if they were to play the game. So for the students on the right side of the screen, they have to enter the game pin, which can be found right over here. So it's 2111959. Students will enter that, and then they will enter their name. And once they enter that, it will show up on the students or on the teacher's screen so that they know who is in and how many are in as well. And so the teacher will start the game. And on my screen, the question will appear, and on the student's screen will be the answers to the questions. So question 1 is, who won the Vietnam War? And there's a little video clip that will be shown to the student. So the first answer is the United States, and the second one is Vietnam. And so over here on the student side, they either click the triangle or the diamond, depending on who they think it is. And this question has no point value because that was one of the requirements. And there's also a video playing as well. So obviously you click that and see, and then it would award me 0 points. So then the teacher has to click next to go on to the next question. It'll show the point values of the top 3 students, but since there's only me, it only shows me. And then when was the Vietnam War? This one is up to 1,000 points. So So the faster you answer the question correctly, the more points you get. So let's say I guess the square, which is 1943 to 1948, I would click 1943. I would click the square over here on the student screen, and it tells me it is wrong, so I would receive 0 points from that question. So then the teacher would then click next, still 0 points, and then the next, how many Americans were killed in this war? Still again, the students can win up to 1,000 points, so then you would click circle. And that is the correct answer, and then I would be awarded 920 points. And then the teacher can just keep going on to their next questions, and the students just can keep on playing. That's how you play Kahoot.